of you that see my short the other day know that I destroyed my gimbal. So it took a drop from about 6 foot and it snapped the arm off. So I decided, I actually tried some water weld that I had here at the shop, and unfortunately that didn't hold up very well. That's the only thing I had, but I went and bought JB Plastic Bonder, and I pretty much lathered it up on this one side around here. I guess 3 sides technically. I didn't get on this back side because it gets really, really close to the swinging mechanism where it broke at. So we're going to test it today. We're going to see if this thing will hold up. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get it straight and it sagged. I should have sat there and held it for a lot longer, but I didn't. Thought I had it set up good, but it is what it is. So let's see how well this gimbal does with it being broke. Yes, it is still going. It has been a few days now since I broke this thing. I can't say enough good things about this JB Plastic Bonder at this point. You know, this gimbal, when it broke, I thought, I might as well trash it. I mean, it was broken to the point where there's nothing but wires left. I mean, hanging on, that was it, by the wire, literally. But this thing, phenomenal. I mean, I have full movement, full everything, no issues. I still have all my adjustments on my, my controls. Like it is done very well. And this is not a lightweight phone. This is a Fold 3, so it's a pretty heavy phone, and that's a lot of weight to be dangling out there. So I got to give it a JB Plastic Bonder. It's been a very phenomenal product for this, and we're gonna see how long this thing actually lasts, but hopefully it'll last a long time. But stick around, let's do some more testing.